Hi guys, if you're wanting to make a wallet tracker on GMGN, I have the best methods for you. So the first method is that we hit into the track button up here. You can see right here that I have a lot of different wallets that I track. So if you want to track all of these wallets, first and most simple method is that we go until here and we can see all of the best ranking traders on GMGN. So what we want to do is we can sort by the different mechanisms that we want to trade them for. But as you can see right here, if we want to click on copy, we can go in here and we can click on track. So that's so simple. That's how you track them. And what you want to do, you can also click on this little hole right here. So we want to track the most profitable wallets, the biggest KOLs. You can also see right here, they have the KOL with people over 45,000 followers. So that's the first method. The second method is that we hit onto Twitch and we find our meme coin traders. So most of these have a setting, so you can do this command in their chat, and then they will come out with their address. So I copy the address, I go in here, and I insert the address until here. As you can see right here, Fascia pops up, the same guy that I just looked up on Twitch, and I'm already following him, but you can click on here and then you follow him. So inside here you can also see how much money they have made. You can see it's different, but you have to be sure that you are tracking their Solana wallet, because some of them also have a BNB wallet. And as you can see right here, I'm not tracking anyone on BNB. So make sure that you have this set to Solana, as this only works for Solana unless you find someone on BNB. And that's how you can do it. The next method is that you can try to, if we go onto monitor, nope. We go on to copy trade, I think. I have to look. You can also copy trade right here, just a fun fact. But we go on to radar, that's it. Then we can select our desired coins. I have these 3 coins in, and as you can see right here, these are the traders that have made the most amount of money on all of these 3 trades combined. So you can see this one is, I have renamed him. That's a very good idea to rename the wallet that you're tracking. But you also have to be aware, because some of these might be bots. So if we have this one, for example, I have named it potential bot. I'm not tracking it, but as you can see right here, now it's inactive, but they make a lot of different transactions each day. Some of them only minimal. So it's basically a trading bot that is designed to buy when the price drops suddenly, and then buy in. And as you can see, if I want to go on to this one, I think this one is also a bot. As you can see right here, if I can make this bigger. As you can see right here, it bought Craig, and soon after it bought it, it sold. So if we go until here, we don't want a second, we want maybe 1 minute. As you can see right here, it buys on the dip with a big portion, 3 Solanas, and then afterwards it sells. So it's designed to buy on the dips. So I think if we do like this, yes, you can see there's a lot of different times where it does it. I have to go to the 1 minute. Go out here. There's a big dip, and the trader or the bot buys up and then sells. So you have to be careful about this. But those are the 3 methods that I use to wallet track, and those are the easiest 3 methods to set up your wallet tracker.